ये बोले ये वो अगली गाड़ी बैठते इसमें ये क्या है वो कहाँ है ड्रग्स कहाँ है
इस साइड पे। हाँ हाँ एक मिनट सर।
First of all, for my behalf and on behalf of my colleagues, I extend a very happy New Year to you. We are meeting in the first week itself of the New Year, and I am happy to say, glad to say that it has started off with on a very good note. As you are aware that we are doing a very sustained effort to curb the menace of drugs in this province. And in this connection, we have done two spectacular catches, which I have called surgical strike. So this is a surgical strike 3. Yesterday we got another big catch of heroin, which was coming from Pakistan border. We got a car in which two people were traveling. One of them is Mohammed Rafi. He is from Badodi, Raya area. Another one is Somnath alias Soma. He is from Fatehpur Brahmana Arispura. Both of them, they are notorious drug peddlers. And on the search of this car, this input we developed, and we were following this very sustained manner. And from the frisking of these people, we recovered initially 2 kilograms of heroin, and when we probed it further and search of entire vehicle was carried out, and during interrogation we managed to pinpoint 3 more people who were part of this gang. The 3 people are Jabbar Singh alias Sunny, who belongs to Khor area, Jankar Singh alias Kosha from Palawala Khor, and Raju Singh from Dhar Khor area. So all these 5 people are basically operating as a gang, and from the during interrogation and from the disclosure of these people, we managed 7 kilogram of high grade heroin, which has a marking of Afghanistan and Pakistan. During investigation, we have come to know that this gang was operating. The investigations are still going on, but it is believed that it was brought in from Palawala area. There are some drugs involvement of some cross-border agents, and we are following that lead. But the reality is that 7 kilogram of high-grade heroin, which was to go to Punjab, that is another part of investigation we are following, and it was to go to Punjab. We managed to catch these 5 people and recovered this 7 kilogram high-grade heroin. So this is first, but meanwhile, we were during this in the last past 1 week, we are following more such. We have maintained a very high pressure for curbing the menace of the drugs, and yesterday we arrested 4 more people, very notorious drug peddlers who were doing the peddling in Jammu city area. One of them is Zafar Iqbal, who is incidentally a dismissed police selection grade constable. He was dismissed in 2014, and he was found involved. We arrested him. And then another person is Balbir Singh. Both of them were traveling together. Both were arrested, and 2 more people who were riding a motorbike. Takdeer Singh, belonging to Nanak Nagar area. Another person, Tariq Hussain, from Tripta Nagar. So 4 people, 4 notorious drug peddlers have been arrested, and 102 grams of high quality heroin has been recovered from them. So this is with regards to Operation Sanjeevani or Surgical Strike 3, which you can say, regarding the drugs. Meanwhile, there were other few sensational nature cases in Jammu city. One of them was snatching of about 1 lakh rupees from the owner of Messer Fashion Weeks, was snatched from him after attacking him. Immediately after that, we swung into action, and we have recovered 38,000 rupees and arrested 2 people. There are 4 people involved. 2 people have absconded to Punjab. We are following them also. This case also stands, closed, solved. And meanwhile, there were many other thefts in the last 1 month. We have recovered a total value of 18 lakh rupees in the form of iron rod saria, 6 lakh 52,000. Then there are cable wires are more than 3 lakhs and 50,000. And then there were mobile phones. Again, very important case. More than 7 lakh value mobile phones which were stolen from the Tirupuranagar area have been recovered.